We'll guide you through how to send money as friends and family on PayPal. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on PayPal, and so you want to go and send money as friends and family. This is a great way of sending money, especially if it's to one of them, because then there are no fees. Just remember, because of this, you then don't go and have the extra PayPal protection, which can go and help with getting money back if there's some type of problem. So do consider that if there's a purchase. But if you're sure you want to do this, what you want to do is go down and you want to find send and receive, and you can go and tap that there. Then what you need to do is come to the top and you can go and type in the name, username, or email address that you want to go and send the money to, or you may already have the person in the list here. After you've selected the person, you then need to go and enter in the amount. So let's go and say I was doing this with £10, like so. Of course, you can go over to the right and adjust the currency if you need to. Then you can go and add a note, maybe to go and add what it's for. Now, what we can do is we can go and press send. That is going to go and trigger this pop-up here. And you can go and see we can have goods and services or for friends and family. If it's goods and services, you can get a full refund if an eligible item gets lost or damaged, or you can use friends and family, but bar protection doesn't apply for this payment, which is what we want to use. So with that selected, you can go and press next at the bottom. Then you can go and confirm where you're sending the money from. I'm using my PayPal balance, but I could tap there and go and use a card or bank. Then you can just see friends and family there, and you can go and see this here. And when you're ready, you want to go and press send at the bottom. It's now loading. And as you can see, it's been sent. That's it. You can press done, and then you can go and send another payment or go and continue using PayPal.